he'd be screaming or whatever, and if he wouldn't stop, I would tell him he was hurting me. I'd tell him he was killing me. Actually, that's what I said. I said, "You don't want to kill Mommy, do you?" And then I'd make my hand die, like this. Oh, ow, 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 ow. And he'd get this little look on his face, and he'd stop. It was very effective. I can't help but think now that that was perhaps not perfect parenting. You don't get worked up?
You know, I prefer the 100-year test.
What's the,
Will anyone care in 100 years? About the muffins, or the color of the kitchen cabinets, or the relative success of one's latest novel, or backyard meta-theatrical
That's
scene.
it.
I love muffins.
I'm sorry?
What? Oh, nothing. I love muffins. A really good muffin. I just really like them.
How can I help you?
I just wanted to say, I'm sorry.
For?
Oh, you know, all the things.
You're sorry.
Yes,
For all the things.
I am.
Good.
See you later. Good luck.
Fuck you!
Okay.
Yes, of course I know I'm gonna play. I'm right here and you're right there. And since you can see and hear everything I do, let's just assume that I can see and hear everything you do. And when you pick up your playbill, like you did earlier, sir, to see, I don't know how long I've worked with Winding Road, or whether Tyler was in the Fantastics,
No.
or whether back to the show. I saw you. We all see damn near everything you ever do out there, just so I'm not blaming. We're glad you're here. We're totally grateful, actually, but just so you know.
Yes.
If you want them, they're yours. If you want me, I'm yours. If you want my life, now or ever, it is yours, and always only yours.
Oh, Nina.
Well, hello there, Sarge. Oh, God. Oh, no. Not God, child, but still full of wrath and terrible to behold. Nina? Yes? Leave. What? Leave? Now. Oh, and not just this room. This house, you traitor. The hemisphere, if possible.
I fool people. All the people, I think. I think you all think that I feel things, but I don't feel those things, and I never have. I never have. I just act like I do.
Well, then you should have won all those awards and not me. Because you sure pulled the fuck out of me.
My question is this. My question is this just me? Is this just me, or is this what everybody does?
I leave in an hour. A new play, a lovely little play. Maybe this will be the one. Maybe this time I'll be wonderful, radiant, ideal. More likely I'll be awful, wretched, unwatchable.
Listen,
Do you know why?
please.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because I'm a seagull, and seagulls can't act. That should be on a t-shirt too. Seagulls can't act. Do you know why? Do you know why?
now that you've started. Though you've been thwarted, try again to begin every single day as though you're gonna win. You hope again, and life happens. And on and on and on we go.
On and
On
on,
and on and on, days slow.
on and on,
We lovely, rich and rough.
on and
All too much and never enough. On and on. All too much and never enough.